We'll guide you through how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The great thing about temporarily deactivating your Instagram account is that you can go and reactivate it again in the future. And so in between that, your Instagram account will be removed off the platform. People can't go and see it. They can't go and see your posts. You can't be contacted and you can't use the account. But when you want to, you can go and get it back online, which I think is really convenient, as you may just want a break from Instagram or there's another reason for this. So we'll guide you through how this can be done step by step. Make sure it's this full guide. What you need to do is come and head to your Instagram profile as you already are here. You can go and see it. Press your profile icon in the bottom right. Now, what you need to do is go and head to the top right and you can go and tap on the three lines and this will open up settings and activity, as you can see. Now at the top, you need to go and find the option for account center. Go and open it up and you'll go and see some different information about your connected experiences, account settings and more. We want to come into account settings and find the option personal details. In here, you can press account ownership and control, wait for this to load, and you'll see the option deactivation or deletion. Tap there. Choose the Instagram account you're doing this with. Then you can go and select deactivate account. You can see this is going to be temporary and we can then press continue. This is what you're going to lose access to. Press continue if you're sure. Enter in your password and press continue. You can then go and give a reason and you can go and press continue. They'll offer a solution here. Then I'll go and press continue. Now, what you can do if you're sure is go and press deactivate account and it'll be deactivated. As I said, to reactivate it, you can do it through the account center or by logging back into your Instagram account. Leave a like if you found this useful.